You are going to love
the 2022 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, 4-wheel drive, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.